Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, 10 reasons why younger women prefer dating older men. Stick around as we explore some intriguing psychological facts that might surprise you. Number 1. Maturity matters. Older men often bring a level of emotional maturity that many younger women find appealing. They're usually more grounded and better at handling relationship dynamics. Number 2. Life experience. Older men have been through more, which means they can offer wisdom and perspective. This can be incredibly attractive to younger women looking for guidance. Number 3. Stability and security, financial stability. Many younger women appreciate older men for their established careers and financial security, which can provide a sense of safety in a relationship. Number 4. Confidence. Older men tend to exude confidence, which can be a major turn-on. This self-assuredness often stems from years of life experience and success. Number 5. Less drama. Older men often come with fewer emotional games and drama, which can be refreshing for younger women tired of the usual relationship pitfalls. Number 6. Emotional support. Many older men are more equipped to provide emotional support, making them great partners for younger women who seek a deeper connection. Number 7. Different perspectives. The age gap can lead to fascinating conversations and learning opportunities, enriching both partners' lives. Number 8. Romantic gestures. Older men often know how to treat a woman right, with thoughtful dates and charming gestures that can make younger women feel special. Number 9. Less pressure. Older men might be past the phase of rushing into serious commitments, allowing younger women to enjoy their time together without added stress. Number 10. Seeking adventure. And finally, reason 10. Seeking adventure. Some younger women are drawn to the idea of experiencing life with someone who has different interests and stories, making the relationship feel exciting and adventurous. So there you have it. 10 reasons why younger women are often drawn to older men. What do you think? Do you have any experiences to share? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks.